Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Ring Doorbell to Wi-Fi using the Ring app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Ring Doorbell to Wi-Fi using the Ring app, start by ensuring your smartphone has the Ring app installed. If you haven't installed the app yet, visit your device's app store and download it. Once the app is installed, open it and create a new account or log in if you already have one. Next, locate the Set up a device option on the main screen of the app. Select Doorbell from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan the QR code on your Ring Doorbell. After scanning, choose your Ring Doorbell model to proceed. Now, plug in your Ring Doorbell and press the Setup button located on the device. Wait for the light on the front of the Ring Doorbell to start flashing, indicating it's ready for setup. Back in the app, select your home Wi-Fi network from the list of available networks. Enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Make sure to double-check the password for accuracy. Tap Connect to initiate the connection to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the app will confirm the successful connection. Your Ring Doorbell will perform a quick test to ensure it is connected properly. Once the test is successful, your Ring Doorbell is now ready to use. You can begin customizing your settings directly in the app. Ensure your device is charged and positioned correctly to maximize Wi-Fi signal strength. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Ring Doorbell to Wi-Fi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.